Hi guys, Sam from Western Parkway Trains here, and welcome to Tiverton Parkway, located on the Great Western Main Line. Approaching now as they cross, Great Western Railway HST with the 1311 and the Mayflower service to Plymouth from London Paddington. I'm just finding somewhere to sit. See if I can get there before this train does. There is 43194 on the front of this one. We don't know what the other one is on the rear. So today you're going to see services here by Great Western Railway and Cross Country. Joining me here is LDC Videos. Please do not check out this channel, as this channel will not be in use yet. Without further ado, let's get started on the trains out here at Tiverton Parkway. Okay, going on now is the 1311, the Mayflower. Great Western Railway service to Plymouth from London Paddington, 43194 on the front, or 094 however. And we'll have a blue class at the rear. Hopefully we should get the number. Off it goes, 43194 at the front. They still haven't rebranded the coaches to GWML livery though. Really gutted about that. Hopefully they'll do it sometime soon. The rear of it is 43191. And that's literally just the start of the trains at Tiverton Parkway. So there we go. Right. Okay, pulling in now is the 1329 cross country service to Plymouth from Newcastle. See what the number is. It's a 220. It'll probably be 220018. Won't it? No, 220034. There's that one. Okay, arriving now is delayed for 1338 cross country service to Edinburgh from Plymouth, and also departing is the delayed 1329 cross country service to Plymouth from Newcastle, 220034. Let's see what this HST's got to offer. 43304 on the front. I don't think none of us will know what's at the rear though. So there goes that one. Let's see what's next.
There's only one low because the seat's broken.
Yeah. Okay, now departing is the 1338 cross country service to Edinburgh from Plymouth. This will not be calling a derby due to engineering works happening down there. So off that goes. 43304 at the front. It's formed of a HST. This cross country, 43304. And then what do we have on the rear? Please say 384. Please say 384. It won't be 129 because 129 is on First Great Western. Please be 384. 384, come on, 384. 43378. Off that goes to Edinburgh from Plymouth. I've just had a confirmation that, yeah, I've just had confirmation that the next train coming should be a Cardiff service, so we'll probably see that in a minute.
Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads.
Okay, Cardiff Central's coming.
At Taunton, Bridgewater, Highbridge and Burnham, Western Supermare, Rowe, Yatton, Nailsea and Bagwell, Bristol Temple Meads, Tilton Abbey Wood, Patchway, Severn Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff Central. Platform 2 for the 13:55 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads.
So yeah, the Cardiff train's now coming in. You can already hear it just literally from here.
Platform 2 for the 13:55 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads. Calling at Taunton, Bridgewater, Highbridge and Burnham.
Oh, 158, this is interesting.
Yatton, Nailsea and Bagwell, Bristol Temple Meads.
You never ever get 158s down here.
Severn Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff Central.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 158, that's really rare. Okay. It'll probably be 158, 766. 666. Oh no, it's a blue 158. 158, 763. That is literally my first time seeing a 158. Literally. That's absolutely rare. And then 152.44 on the rear. So it's a full coach train. So I'll see that go out in a minute. Okay, going out now is the 13:55. Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads. Rare 158, 158 763 on the front, and 152.44 at the rear. And then the last train will be a London Paddington service. See if it's in a taxi. Off she goes, 158763 in the old First Great Western livery still. And then 152.44 at the rear. So there we are, final train should be a London Paddington service. Okay, sorry to hear about that, but the London Paddington service will be put into the station tour instead. So, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching for this video. If you haven't liked what you've seen here, please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments, as I will get back to them as soon as when I can. So yeah, joining me here today's LC videos, please do not check out this channel, as this channel will not be in use. I honestly have to personally really like the station. It's just got so many good views, and with the station tour coming up in a minute, it will just make a big difference. So yeah, in terms of my next trains my next Devon trip will be from Exeter to St David's, but however, it's one of my big mainline trips, so the next trains out will be featured from Taunton. So I'll see you all in Taunton for the next trains out. Take care guys, goodbye. See you all in Taunton, and if you're interested in the Devon trips, then I'll see you all in Exeter St David's. Take care guys, and goodbye.